Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to unbox and give an overview and demo of this device right here. This is an ultrasound radio frequency body slimming device, but not only does it help with slimming and toning, it also helps to build collagen in your face and tone like areas of your face and help with wrinkles as well. So that's why this device is really unique. I've partnered with Carerspark, that is the company. I've partnered with them today for this video. So I wanted to kind of unbox it since it just came in, go over everything, and then I will do a demo at the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you'd like to find out more about this device right here, then just keep watching. In the past, I have tried devices specifically for slimming and targeting stubborn fat, like the cavitation devices, stubborn areas that you're trying to tone or reduce fat. I've tried those devices before, and then I've also tried devices that are strictly for your face to help build collagen elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. But I've never seen a device before that does all of that in one. Very unique, so that's really cool. This device is also waterproof as well, I just read, so I figured let's unbox it. I just took the device out, and that's what the rest of the box looks like. It does come with a USB charger. Now you do need the plug. A lot of devices these days, even cell phones for that matter, they don't include the plug because they assume that you have it. They just give you the USB cord. So that's what this is right here for charging. But this device is nice, you guys, because you don't have to have it plugged in to use. You can charge it and then you're good to go. You don't need to have it plugged in. I know a lot of like the IPL laser devices, like the hair removal ones, you have to have them plugged into use. So I do like that you don't have to have this plugged in. It just has to be fully charged. But this is what the device looks like. And I've seen different devices before and I've never seen them looking like this. Definitely unique and different. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm going to take it out of this. This is kind of just to help it like stand up if you want to set it down on a surface like that. So I'm going to take it out, and that's what this is what's going to go on different areas, either your face or your body. That's what you're going to be using. And then this top right here with all these buttons, that's the different modes, which I'm going to get into, reading their benefits and everything like that, and like the power and the level, everything like that. So all the buttons to operate this device are right there. Also comes with this pamphlet right here, which I'm going to be referring to. It also kind of walks you through, depending on what area you're trying to target, whether it be your face or your buttocks, your legs, your underarms, for like toning your underarms. It tells you specifically how to use the device. But generally speaking, with these devices, when you're trying to use them on your body, it's usually going to be kind of like upward motion. So it does like walk you through everything. Before I get into turning this on and demoing it, I wanted to read a little bit about each function and the benefits. Now you can use them in combination with one another, which I'm most likely going to be doing. So radio frequency, it says through subcutaneous heating, if I'm saying that correctly. Radio frequency stimulates the regeneration and remodeling of new collagen, meanwhile repairs and improves the sagging and aging of the skin state. So that would definitely be something that you can use on your face. Radio frequency is great for that. You can go to a med spa and pay a lot of money for radio frequency treatments. I think years ago I did that with the microneedling, and it was not cheap, you guys, at all. And it was multiple treatments. This you can do in the convenience of your own home, which is nice. The vibration along with radio frequency is a physical vibration to make collagen fiber contractions, speed up the fat decomposition rate, effectively reducing stubborn fat. And then the ultrasonic mode has an effect of physics and chemistry. The massage of 800,000 times every second introduces the effective fat-burning ingredients and beauty ingredients into deep cell layers, stimulating the absorption and strengthening the effect of the skincare products, meanwhile promoting blood circulation and eliminating I'm not sure exactly what that word is, you guys. And then the EMS mode is the periodic change of EMS is used to contract the muscles, exercises the muscles, and increases the elasticity. So the EMS, I'm thinking, is definitely going to be for toning, which is probably one of the function I might like test out when we get to it. And then it says the red photon, red light, can stimulate cell activity and speed up blood circulation, Thus, it can reduce wrinkles and fine lines. So that would also be good to use with a radio frequency if you're going to be using it on your face. I will be using this on my face, but for the sake of today's video, I'm probably going to do, I'm thinking maybe just like my lower tummy area to show you guys how it works, because I've never used this before. So yeah, and then I did mention too, I think I mentioned it, this is waterproof as well, which is nice. So it's nice that it includes all of those different functions. This is great because you could go to a med spa and pay for, you know, slimming treatments or radio frequency treatments. I mean, this like kind of is a 5-in-1, and you can do it from the convenience of your own home, and over time save a lot of money. You don't have to pay for multiple treatments. You will own this forever. So I kind of like devices like that, because let's be honest, going to a med spa is pretty pricey. So for the sake of this video, I am going to use it for my face too. Like, I'm really excited to actually use this device, but just for demonstrating, for the sake of this video, because I don't want to have to like remove all my makeup right now, I'm going to do my lower tummy area. And a lot of you guys are probably looking at me like I'm crazy. I go to the gym, I do sit-ups, and my lower tummy area I've always been very self-conscious about. And we all have, you know, areas of our body or things that we're self-conscious about. And it's just, and women actually, a lot of women, their lower tummy is a problem area. It doesn't, I mean, you could even be, you know, thin, you could still kind of have that problem. For me, it just kind of always feels like it sticks out. So I'm going to test it out there. And it's saying for that area, I need to have it on the EMS and Sonic. And it says to do 15 to 30 minutes a day and can be used on different points. So, I mean, if I was doing my whole tummy, I would probably have to do the 15 to 30 minutes a day. But I'm thinking since it's such like a smaller area, which you guys will see soon, I'll probably just maybe do 10 minutes a day. Next, I want to mention that when you are going to be using it on your body, they do want you to use some form of gel. So I have aloe gel right here. It's really cheap. It'll get the job done. So that is what I'm going to be using. It doesn't necessarily need or say that you need to use any gel on your face, but this does also help your skin to absorb any facial products that you put into it better. So it's probably better to just use your facial products in conjunction with the device for your face. So let's get into the demo. Okay guys, so this is kind of the area right here that I'm going to be focusing on. Little secret, I always film in pajama pants, so do not mind. Again, like, it's not like I need to lose weight, but it's just this like stubborn area. See how it sticks out? I know a lot of you are gonna think I'm crazy, but it's just like something a lot of women have this like issue with. So I'm gonna kind of just do this little portion right here. I'm gonna take the aloe gel, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna put a good amount on so that it can glide pretty easily. Now that the aloe gel is on, I'm gonna go and turn the device on. Now, since I'm focusing on my lower tummy area, trying to tone it up and potentially reduce, you know, any fat, I'm going to turn it on the EMS and Sonic button. Now there is 3 levels. You can probably see it lighting up red. I'm gonna go to the 3rd level, and it's very quiet, you guys, on this mode. And I'm just gonna kind of do this, avoiding, you know, my belly button ring. Probably should have took that out for this video. So it's kind of just saying to go in circular motions, like so. And then it also was saying too, if you want to go a little bit lower, it was kind of like saying to like do circles like that. Kind of just like that. So the pamphlet kind of walks you through it, so I'm going to continue to kind of just go around like this. So my hands definitely still have some aloe gel on them. They're a little bit sticky. Now with these devices, consistency is key, and I'll be good for a while and then I kind of like get into a rut and I don't, but I'm definitely going to try to be consistent with this. So I'm going to do my lower tummy area, and then I'm also going to probably, I don't know exactly where I want to focus on my face, maybe like my smile lines, maybe my forehead. I'm not really sure. It's really cool. It's like a 5-in-1. It has different things that it can target depending on what you're trying to accomplish. And I love the fact that it can be used on your face and on your body for wrinkles or for toning, fat reduction, etc. Now, it says it in the pamphlet, and I'm going to say it to you guys too. It's not like this is just going to be a miracle worker and you don't have to eat healthy or exercise. I do both, so I'm hoping that I can notice some results with this in addition to doing that. Definitely it's not going to be a miracle worker. You have to have a healthy diet and you know, exercise. So I did want to mention that because some people, when they you know, get these devices, they think that just miracles are going to happen. You also need to, you know, be healthy and exercise. Not like hardcore exercise. I mean, I don't hardcore exercise, but you need to have activity and exercise in your diet. So you guys catch my drift. I did figure that I did want to mention that. But anyways, if you guys are interested in this cool little device, I will have it linked down below. I can't wait to start using it. Anyways, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.